हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम प्रीपोजिशंस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। इंग्लिश ग्रामर में प्रीपोजिशन ऐसे वर्ड होते हैं जो रिलेशनशिप शो करते हैं बिटवीन ए नाउन और प्रोनाउन। चलिए शुरू करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से। ही सैट ऑन द चेयर, यहाँ ऑन आएगा। द बुक इज़ ऑन द टेबल। शी lives in Delhi. The cat jumped over the wall. We are going to the market. He was born in July. I will meet you at 5 p.m. She is hiding under under the bed. मैं साइड में भी लिख देता हूँ। The bed. Okay. The pen is in the bag. He is fond of music. The bus stops at every station. She walked along. यहाँ पर along आएगा। He jumped into. The train passed through the tunnel. I am tired of work. They live in the same house. She smiled at me. The bird flew above the tree. He is afraid of the dark. The key is in the flower drawer. The picture is hanging on the wall. She was standing in front of me in the queue. We reached the station on time. The child is playing in the garden. He has been ill since Monday. The school is located near. The dog ran after the car. They sat around the fire. She will return in an hour. The ball rolled under the table. The meeting will start at noon. He was punished for his mistake. I will wait for you. He divided the apple into two parts. They moved into a new house. She is good at dancing. He walked slowly along. I stayed at my uncle's house. The shop closed on Sunday. I am interested in history. The thief ran from the police. He has been working here for 5 years. The sun is hidden. Here we use behind as preposition. The sun is hidden behind the clouds. The boy was punished for lying. The teacher is angry with him. Now we write here with him. She is married to a doctor. He put the book into his bag. The car is parked under the tree. He came by bike. She was born in 2005. Thank you guys.